Welcome to ACE Project Management, your all-in-one platform to plan, collaborate, and deliver projects with confidence. In this quick walkthrough, we'll explore the key features that help your team stay organized, efficient, and always on track. Let's start by creating a new project. We'll head into the Projects section and click on New Project. Here you can enter the project name, a short description, set the start and end dates, and assign your team members. If you're adding a new member, just enter their name, email, department, and role. They'll instantly receive an invite link by email, and with a single click, they can log in as part of your team. Then click Create Project. Now let's open the project we just created and add a task. Start by entering the task title and description. Choose a priority, low, medium, or high. Assign it to a team member, and set the start and due dates. Then hit Create Task. We'll add another task now, this time with a dependency. You can link it to a previous task and choose the dependency type. There are 4 types of task dependencies: finish to start. The next task begins only after the previous one is complete. Start to start. Both tasks begin at the same time or when the first one starts. Finish to finish. A task can only finish once the dependent task finishes. Start to finish. The current task must start before the next one can be completed. This is rarely used. Once selected, click Create Task. Now, let's take a look at a project that already has multiple tasks set up. Here, you'll notice the Star Player section, a unique feature of ACE Project. It highlights top-performing team members based on task completion, timeliness, and consistent contribution. It's a smart way to recognize and motivate excellence within your team. Right next to it is the Gantt chart, a powerful, interactive timeline that gives you a complete view of all project tasks, their durations, and dependencies. You can easily adjust schedules, manage overlaps, and maintain visual control of your project flow. You can also set up notifications to keep your team informed. Just choose the type of alert you want and define when it should be sent, so everyone gets timely reminders without any clutter. Next, let's head over to the Team section. This gives you a clear view of individual performance, total tasks assigned, in progress, and completed across all your projects. In the Files tab, you can upload and manage all documents related to a project. Everything stays in one place, easy to access, and well organized. Let's check out the Calendar view. You can filter tasks by status, to do, in progress, or completed, and view them in a monthly layout or drill down into a specific day. Now we'll move into the Reports section, where you get powerful insights across projects, teams, tasks, and timelines. In Project Reports, track completion rates, resource usage, and status overviews. Team reports help you analyze workload distribution and team member performance. Task reports break down task status, priority levels, trends, and highlight overdue versus on-time tasks. And in Calendar reports, you can view activity heat maps, deadline distribution, resource availability, and check for any schedule conflicts. All of these reports can be exported as PDF or Excel files for easy sharing or further analysis. Next, let's take a look at Settings, where you can customize how Star Player recognition works, set your performance criteria, and tailor the system to your workflow. Finally, we're back to the dashboard, your central hub. Here you can see active projects, team members, completed tasks, upcoming deadlines, recent activity, and more, all in one place. Innovative solutions. Exceptional results. Thanks for watching.